Top 10 best Indian dancers. Let's check this out. Namaste, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Inquinashi channel where we talk and react things related to India. So thank you so much for passing by one more day. You know, mi casa es tu casa, and hopefully you enjoy this channel as much as I am enjoying doing these videos for you guys. And welcome. If you want to be part of this beautiful family, you can subscribe here, and as well you can follow me here in my social media that is showing here. As well, don't forget guys, at the end of the video I am teaching you one phrase in Spanish, so you can learn a little bit more Spanish. So just don't forget to go and as well watch the end of the video. Let you learn with each video of Thinking Nash, you learn a little bit more of Spanish. So guys, today we are going to watch the best Indian actors dancers in India. So I'm really looking forward to see this one, because I think so India have amazing dancers. I think so, like, to be an actor you have to be a dancer. I don't think so in India is a possibility to be an actor and not be a dancer. I think so even it's better if you are a better dancer than better actor, but I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. But I think so this top 10 will be quite difficult, because I think so in India all are amazing dancers. So let's check this video and then we talk about this.
Actors today want to showcase their cool 6-packs and 7-packs as much as they want to showcase their dancing skills. Today we decided to count down the top 10 best male actors who are also amazing dancers in the Indian film industry. This is our list and might be different from yours, so please do let us know your top 10. Apart from this, we also want to give a disclaimer. Since we do not have the copyrights of any of the songs, we will not be using the original songs for the small dance clips that we are going to include in this list. Before we get on with the list, here's a special mention. Prabhu Deva and Lawrence. Both of them are spectacular choreographers who turn to dancing, and hence we decided not to include them in this list, as obviously they would take a prominent position in this top 10.
Yeah, fair enough.
Number 10, Chiranjeevi. What elegance, what charm, and what grace. This veteran can dance. He proved it when he was 30, and he is still proving it when he is about 60. A dancing icon for sure. Number 9, Silambarasan. This Tamil actor can shake a leg. Though there were several questions posed for his work ethics, one thing that everyone will surely accept is that he is one of the best dancers in Tamil cinema.
Nice.
Number 8, Puneeth Rajkumar. Kannada actor Puneeth is very fast with his legs and is easily the best in sandalwood when it comes to breaking a leg for a song.
That's a very nice moment. Wow.
Number 7, Kamal Haasan. He learned Kathak and Bharatnatyam when he was young and also was an assistant choreographer before he started acting as a hero. His grace and style and the ease with which he completes a step are a treat to watch. Number 6, Shahid Kapoor.
I like him.
Once again, a trained dancer. Shahid Kapoor is one of the best dancers in Bollywood.
Yeah,
he can dance like there is no tomorrow, and we can watch like there is no day after.
I can enjoy watching him, no problem. Yes.
Number 5, Ram Charan. Grace and elegance are things that he got from his father. This young Telugu actor can surely dance. He is extremely hardworking, and that shows in how he ups the complexity quotient in his moves in every single film of his. Number 4, Tiger Shroff.
Yeah, he's good. I like him.
Once again, the son of a legend. But thankfully, he did not get any of his dancing genes from his father, as this guy is a rock star. He's a trained gymnast, and with a carved body to die for, this hero can dance, and how. Number 3, Junior NTR. The grandson of NTR, Junior NTR, is a dance enthusiast. He is a trained Kuchipudi dancer. His grace and training has translated into some mind-boggling steps. Junior NTR is a dancing sensation.
Oh yeah, I have seen that video. Him is very good. I like him a lot.
At number 2, we have the Greek god of Bollywood, Hrithik Roshan.
Yes.
The man who has the looks, the body, the
Yes.
personality,
Yes.
the acting, and then, if he can move like this, then he is god level.
Yes.
Hrithik Roshan is so pleasing to the eyes that some of his steps look so simple when he does it.
I know.
And we just don't gauge the complexity of those movements.
He is. I love him. Yeah, he's my number one. I have to say it. He's my number one. Sorry. Bad for me.
Number 1, Allu Arjun.
Okay, I think Allu.
Talking about treat to the eyes is number 1 in this list, Allu Arjun. Thanks to Setmax, the whole of the nation knows this South sensation. Allu Arjun enjoys his dancing
moves
and is surely
very well.
eye candy. When you see him dance, you will be dazzled, surprised, and at the same time, heavily entertained, as you will surely
Yeah,
have a
because
big
he's very
smile
original
on your
steps.
face.
Yeah.
He is the deal. The dancing superstar of South India, the best actor dancer, period. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Simply
That
Chuma.
was very interesting. It's like, I think so. Yeah, I agree pretty much in the order of this list. I really agree with this. Just I will put for my personal taste. Of course, remember, guys, each person can have just. Let me put the microphone here, because it's moving. Remember, each person can have different tastes. At the end of the day, it's just a matter of taste. For me, Nash, I will put Hrithik Roshan in one and Allu Arjun in second one. I think so. Tiger is very good. Yeah, between as well between Tiger and Junior will be like 3, 4 there. The rest, yeah, I am agree. I think so. At least my top 3, 4 will be right there. So I think so. I want you guys to put in the comments what do you think, if you feel that you agree with this list or you didn't, like if you put someone else. Just put it there in your comment, your top, don't make it too long. Let's put our top 5. What do you think? Just put your top 5 there in the list. I want to see what do you think, guys. And just remember, it's a matter of taste. Every person can have their favorite. And just let's see who has more votes. Will be very interesting to know. So let's go, guys, now with the Spanish lesson. Today, guys, I want to show you how to say what is my name. But to ask someone what is your name and to say my name is, okay? So, mi nombre es, my name is Nash. Mi nombre es Nash. And if I want to ask to a person what is your name, is ¿cuál es tu nombre? You cannot translate here directly because you know Spanish and English sometimes is mixed up. But if you want to ask to someone what is your name, ¿cuál es tu nombre? If you want to say my name is, mi nombre es Nash. So see you tomorrow with another small Spanish lesson and with another video. Bye.